Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of 12 amazing superfoods that can help alleviate anxiety naturally. Whether you struggle with stress or just want to boost your mood, these foods are packed with nutrients to support your mental well-being. Kicking off our list at number 1 is a treat that's both delicious and anxiety-reducing. Dark chocolate. Anxiety is believed to be linked to reduced overall antioxidant levels. Dark chocolate contains flavonols, such as epicatechin and catechin, which are plant compounds that act as antioxidants that can boost serotonin levels in the brain, reduce the stress hormone cortisol, which is linked to anxiety, promoting a sense of relaxation and well-being. Some research suggests that the flavonols found in dark chocolate may benefit brain function and have neuroprotective effects. So the next time you're feeling anxious or stressed, reach for a square or two of dark chocolate. Your brain and taste buds will thank you. Coming in at number 2 is the beloved avocado food rich in B vitamins, such as avocados have been shown to reduce stress and anxiety. This creamy fruit is an excellent source of potassium and healthy fats, which can help lower blood pressure and reduce the impact of stress hormones. More so, studies have shown that avocados contain various bioactive phytocompounds, such as phenolic acids, hydroxybenzoic acids, hydroxycinnamic acids, condensed tannins, flavonoids, procyanidins, and flavonols in their peel and seed are responsible for the anxiolytic activity. Enjoy it sliced on toast, mashed into guacamole, blended into smoothies, or simply eat it straight from the shell with a spoon. Swimming into our number 3 spot is salmon, a fatty fish renowned for its exceptional health benefits. Salmon is known for its potential to alleviate anxiety due to its high content of brain-supportive nutrients like vitamin D, EPA, and DHA. These omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for neurotransmitter regulation, promoting feelings of calmness and relaxation. Research suggests that diets rich in EPA and DHA are associated with reduced anxiety rates, possibly by reducing inflammation and preserving brain function. Consuming salmon regularly may enhance the brain's ability to adapt to stressors, thereby improving resilience against anxiety triggers. So, incorporating salmon into your diet is like giving your brain a double dose of anxiety-fighting power. Don't let their small size fool you. Blueberries are nutritional powerhouses, bursting with antioxidants and vitamins that can significantly impact your mental well-being. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants such as flavonoids, which are recognized for their ability to support brain health and ease anxiety. Additionally, diets rich in fruits like blueberries have shown correlations with reduced anxiety risks. Several studies have found that daily consumption of vegetables and fruits like blueberries is linked to improved mental well-being. Popeye was onto something with his love for spinach. This leafy green superfood is a powerhouse of nutrients, including magnesium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in regulating mood and reducing anxiety. Magnesium acts as a natural relaxant, helping to calm the nervous system and reduce the production of stress hormones like cortisol. Research has demonstrated that spinach extracts possess anti-stress and antidepressive effects by reducing levels of blood corticosterone, a hormone associated with stress, and elevating levels of glutamate and glutamine in the brain. So load up on spinach and experience the power of this leafy green for a calmer, happier you. Next up on our list of anxiety-fighting superfoods is a crunchy and satisfying snack, almonds. Rich in vitamin E and B vitamins, almonds can support the production of serotonin and other neurotransmitters that play a role in mood regulation, helping to alleviate anxiety. They are rich in magnesium, which helps to relax muscles and reduce stress. Animal studies indicate that almonds may help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, which are factors potentially associated with anxiety. So the next time you're feeling anxious or stressed, reach for a handful of almonds. Your brain and taste buds will thank you. You might be surprised to see Greek yogurt on our list, but this creamy delight is more than just a delicious snack. It's a gut-brain superhero. Probiotics, found in certain light Greek yogurts, are shown to enhance various aspects of well-being, including mental health. Emerging research suggests a strong link between the health of our gut microbiome and our brain function, including our mood and anxiety levels. Probiotic-rich foods like yogurt may benefit mental health by reducing inflammation and increasing the production of mood-regulating neurotransmitters like serotonin. help to maintain a healthy balance of bacteria in your gut, reducing inflammation, and supporting the production of neurotransmitters like GABA. When it comes to natural anxiety relief, chamomile tea is a beloved classic. Chamomile is known for its calming and anxiolytic, anti-anxiety effects, which are attributed to its bioactive compounds, such as flavonoids and terpenoids. These compounds interact with receptors in the brain to promote relaxation and reduce stress and anxiety symptoms. Studies have shown that chamomile can be effective in managing mild to moderate anxiety disorders. It's also naturally caffeine-free, making it an excellent choice for those who are sensitive to the stimulating effects of caffeine. Turmeric, the golden spice that gives curry its vibrant hue, has long been celebrated for its medicinal properties. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate symptoms of anxiety by reducing inflammation in the brain. Curcumin is found to influence anxiety by potentially activating serotonergic systems in the brain. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter known for its role in regulating mood and anxiety levels. Studies suggest that curcumin's interaction with serotonin receptors and its ability to modulate serotonin levels may contribute to its anxiolytic, anti-anxiety effects. By enhancing serotonin neurotransmission, curcumin may help alleviate symptoms associated with anxiety disorders, including stress and fear responses. Starting your day with a warm bowl of oatmeal isn't just comforting. It's a delicious way to nourish your brain and combat anxiety. Oats are a fantastic source of complex carbohydrates, providing a steady release of energy and preventing those blood sugar spikes and crashes that can exacerbate anxiety. Oatmeal is beneficial due to its ability to boost serotonin levels in the brain. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter known as the feel-good hormone because it contributes to feelings of happiness and well-being. Oatmeal's role in serotonin production is attributed to its content of tryptophan, an amino acid that serves as a precursor to serotonin. Asparagus, that vibrant green vegetable that heralds the arrival of spring, is more than just a delicious side dish. It's a natural mood booster. Asparagus stems contain bioactive compounds that may interact with GABA receptors in the brain, potentially enhancing GABAergic neurotransmission. This interaction can promote relaxation and reduce anxiety by inhibiting excessive neuronal activity. Asparagus is a good source of folate, a B vitamin that plays a crucial role in the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine. So, the next time you're looking for a healthy and delicious way to boost your mood, reach for asparagus. Your brain and taste buds will thank you. Green tea, a beloved beverage enjoyed for centuries for its health benefits, earns its place on our list for its ability to promote relaxation and combat anxiety. Green tea contains L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and reduces anxiety. Recent studies have demonstrated that L-theanine, found in green tea, significantly reduces subjective stress and cortisol levels in participants. This amino acid is thought to modulate neuronal excitability, potentially preventing nerves from becoming overstimulated. L-theanine works by increasing levels of GABA, a neurotransmitter that promotes relaxation and reduces anxiety. It also helps to reduce levels of cortisol, the stress hormone that can wreak havoc on our mood and sleep. So, there you have it, 12 incredible superfoods that can help you manage anxiety naturally. By incorporating these nutrient-packed powerhouses into your daily diet, you're providing your body and mind with the tools they need to combat stress and promote a sense of calm. Which of these superfoods are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching.